In today's rapidly evolving world, sustainable agriculture is more crucial than ever. With the growing concerns about food security and environmental impact, farmers and researchers are turning to innovative solutions to cultivate crops efficiently. One such solution that holds great promise is the implementation of greenhouses in agriculture. Welcome to our video presentation on greenhouses in agriculture, where we will explore the numerous advantages and transformative potential of these structures. Introduction to greenhouses. So, what exactly is a greenhouse? Simply put, it's a controlled environment designed to optimize crop growth. By harnessing the power of sunlight and using various techniques to manipulate temperature, humidity, and ventilation, greenhouses provide an ideal setting for plants to thrive. Greenhouses come in various shapes and sizes, from small-scale structures to vast commercial operations. They are typically made of materials such as glass or plastic, which allow sunlight to enter while trapping heat inside. Benefits of greenhouses. Now, let's delve into the benefits that greenhouses offer to agricultural practices. Improved crop quality and yield. One of the primary advantages of greenhouses is their ability to enhance crop quality and yield. By creating an optimal growing environment, greenhouse farmers can extend the growing season, protect plants from harsh weather conditions, and mitigate pest infestations. This results in healthier plants, higher productivity, and increased profitability. Efficient resource utilization. Greenhouses also enable efficient resource utilization. By carefully managing water, fertilizers, and energy, farmers can minimize waste and optimize resource consumption. Techniques like drip irrigation, hydroponics, and integrated pest management allow for precise control, reducing water usage and minimizing the need for chemical inputs. Environmental sustainability. In the face of climate change and environmental degradation, greenhouses offer a sustainable approach to agriculture. These structures enable farmers to reduce their carbon footprint by using renewable energy sources like solar power and employing energy-efficient technologies. Moreover, greenhouse cultivation minimizes soil erosion, conserves water, and reduces the need for harmful pesticides, fostering a more eco-friendly farming system. As technology advances, greenhouses are evolving to meet the demands of modern agriculture. Let's explore some exciting innovations and future possibilities. Smart greenhouse technologies. Smart greenhouse technologies are revolutionizing the industry. These systems integrate sensors, data analytics, and automation to monitor and optimize environmental conditions. Artificial intelligence algorithms can analyze real-time data and make precise adjustments to temperature, humidity, and lighting, maximizing crop growth while minimizing resource usage. Vertical farming and urban agriculture. Greenhouses are also at the forefront of vertical farming and urban agriculture. By stacking plants vertically and utilizing unused urban spaces, farmers can cultivate crops closer to consumers, reducing transportation costs and carbon emissions.